Hey guys, thanks for coming. If you're here in the States and you like flying these things, you may want to look at getting yourself one of these, a 107 license. In this video, I'm going to give you 7 reasons why, even if you're a hobbyist, you may want to look at getting yourself a 107 license. Now keep in mind, I'm coming up on renewal and I'm going to be taking you through all the things that you need to do to take the test. And maybe at the end of the video, I'll pass the test. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so here's the deal. Why do you want to get yourself a 107 license? I can give you several reasons for that. First one is, let's just simplify the rules for getting your aircraft up in the air. In this case, 107s have processes that you can use to actually get yourself up and flying right away. And you can fly in more situations than a recreational drone pilot can. The second reason to get a drone is you can actually get paid for your footage that you've taken in the air. And there's a lot of great places that are always looking for footage of different cities and stuff that, you know, I'm not going to be it. I'm going to be needing some footage from Detroit, or I'm going to need some footage from New York City. I mean, shots of that is going to be a pretty big thing to get. The third reason why you want to get your drone license is you'll be able to fly over people. In certain scenarios and situations within the rules, you can actually fly over groups of people, and you would be legally okay to do that as a 107 pilot. The fourth reason to get your 107 is to be able to fly above 400 feet. There are certain scenarios that they have within the 107 license that it lets you get above 400 feet to get the shots that you're trying to get. The fifth reason that you want to get your 107 license is to be able to shoot video from a moving car. Usually in this situation, it's done while you're in the car that you're actually shooting, watching the car go by. And this is really cool stuff. I've actually done it before, and it's a good time. You have a friend drive for you, and you can shoot around the car. It's great fun. It's a great challenge. Something fun to do. The sixth reason why you want to get your 107 is you can request waivers for all parts of actually flying with a drone. When you're a recreational drone flyer, you don't have the option to be able to submit for a waiver. The last reason why you want to get your drone license is flat out, it's pretty cool. Folks around you will look at you like, you really did that. Yeah, I really went out and I really got my license. That's pretty cool. Now I can fly wherever I want to. I just have to check in to see what's going on with the airspace that I'm in. Put a drone up, see what's around. In a lot of cases, you can end up seeing a lot more things than just the regular folks sitting on the ground. So there you go. There's the 7 reasons why you want to possibly look into getting yourself a 107 license. All right. Cool. And in here we get the ASA test prep book, which is what I'm going to be using to retake this test again. And we get the manual for if we need anything else to take this test. That's where this is going to be. For me, the study process takes about a week to confirm I know all the subject areas. The subject areas that you're going to need to test out on are regulations, national airspace systems, weather, pre-flight considerations and operations. Whatever score you're going to get in the pre-test is pretty much the same one you're going to get when you go and take the test officially. One tip for me, I would go through the government site for 107 drones and read through all the rules and regulations just to make sure your testing learning tools did not leave anything out.
So I bet you're wondering, did I ever get that drone license?